Marhaba ya jama'a. Today we're going to learn even more everyday food vocabulary in Levantine Arabic. Don't forget to get your corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami Speaker store, and let's begin. Let's start off with fruits and vegetables. Peas, bazella, bazella. Tomato, bandora, bandora. Eggplant, bitinjan, bitinjan. Cucumber, خيار, خيار. Beetroot, شمندر, شمندر. Celery, كرفس, كرفس. Corn, ذرة, ذرة. Pumpkin, يقطين, يقطين. Squash, أرع, أرع. Notice how the qaf sound is changing to a hamza or glottal stop, which is common for some words in some Levantine Arabic dialects. Mushroom, fitr, fitr. Spinach, سبانخ, سبانخ. Arugula, جرجير, جرجير. Collard green, sillet, sillet. Notice again how that qaf sound is changing to a glottal stop or hamza sound. Cilantro, كزبرة, كزبرة. Parsley, بقدونس, بقدونس. Jute, ملوخية, ملوخية. Pomegranate, رمان, رمان. Peach, خوخ, خوخ. Apricot, مشمش, مشمش. Fig, دين, دين. Pineapple, ananas, ananas. This is similar to the word for pineapple in Spanish and in French. Dates, tamir, tamir. Fresh dates. These are unripe dates. They're called balah, balah. Moving on to spices. Cumin, كمون, كمون. Cinnamon, قرفة, قرفة. This is a spice blend very common in the Levant area. It's a blend of thyme and oregano and sesame seeds. It's called za'atar, za'atar. Sesame seeds, simsim, simsim. Cardamom, هيل, هيل. Sumac, سماء, سماء. Anise, ينسون, ينسون. Basil, حبأ, حبأ. mint, نعناع, نعناع. Coriander, كزبرة ناعمة. Remember that كزبرة means cilantro and ناعمة means soft. كزبرة ناعمة. Saffron, زعفران, زعفران. Mixed spice blend, بهارات مخلطة, بهارات مخلطة. بهارات means spices and مخلطة means mixed. Now we're going to move on to some staple Levant dishes that are sure to get your tummy growling. First up we have مقلوبة. مقلوبة. It's a dish of rice, vegetables, and meat cooked together then flipped upside down when served. مقلوبة literally means flipped. It's an iconic dish because of how it has to be flipped after it's cooked. ملوخية. ملوخية. This is a stew made with jute leaves and it's served with rice and either chicken or lamb. منسف. منسف. This is a festive dish of lamb and yogurt sauce over rice. It's often served at weddings. بامية. بامية. This is an okra stew cooked with tomatoes, onions, and meat. كبسة. كبسة. This is a rice dish cooked with finely chopped carrots, tomatoes, and a blend of aromatic spices served with meat or chicken. It's popular in the Levant and in the Gulf. ملفوف. ملفوف. These are stuffed cabbage rolls with rice and meat. It's similar to the infamous grape leaves, just with cabbage instead. ملفوف literally means wrapped, which is a fitting name for these rolls. Well, that's all for Food Vocabulary Part 2. If you missed Part 1, don't forget to watch it. I'll have it linked here and in the description box. And don't forget to get your vocab sheet. See you in the next video. مع السلامة. Do you want a science-backed method to learn Levantine Arabic or any new language? Then use my link to get a 7-day free trial of Pimsleur, the app and website that gets you speaking naturally through real-life conversation practice without having to study or memorize. You can learn on the go in just 30 minutes a day. Using my link, you can get a 7-day free trial and start learning Levantine Arabic, or as I call it on Pimsleur, Eastern Arabic. I'll have the link here and in the description box. They also offer MSA and Egyptian Arabic.